Hi everyone, this is JM. I'm here to build the ultimate gaming rig here at Cyberzone. Let's see what I can build with 80,000 pesos in the budget. Let's go. So I've been gaming since I was really small. Started out with the PlayStation 2, but then graduated to a PC rig. I really want to build a new PC because I am in dire need of a new upgrade so that I can run the newest titles, my favorite games, without worrying about the resolution or the graphics or if the PC can run it in general. I'm here at Cyberzone, such a convenient place, such a one-stop shop for any gaming tech or peripheral needs. Bubuo po kasi po ako ng computer today. Meron lang po akong 80,000 pesos na budget. Meron po ba kayong marirecommend sa akin o masasuggest na parts?
Meron naman sir. Tara po tayo sa taas. So ito sir, yung mga starting ng mga PC components natin.
Bala ko po kasi talaga is 4070 pataas na graphics card. Meron po ba kayong available?
Meron naman kami sir 4070 with ano na ba to? With monitor, keyboard, mouse, and headset.
Yes.
Probably kung 80K with 4070, baka lumagpas ka dun sa target.
Konti, no?
Most likely yan sir.
Sir Miko was really helpful in terms of the service with regards to parts. They can deliver parts to you within 1 to 2 days if it's not available within their branch. What they do have is a 4070. That's, I think, a more reputable brand, but it's a bit more expensive. Kailangan kong murahan yung iba kong kailangan bilhin. The service was A+, 100 out of 100. Now it's time to check out PC Express for more parts and peripherals. Let's go.
Ito po, meron tayong CPU. Yung processor natin is i5 na 12th generation po siya.
Alright.
Ang cores niyan is 6 cores at saka 12 threads po. Tapos yung case natin, meron naman tayong maraming case dyan, pero nandito nakalagay sa na Asus yung motherboard natin. So nakalagay sa amin is Asus case.
Okay. But what I liked about PC Express was that they really know their stuff. They offer a delivery service also, just like Data Blitz. And nagpapasalamat din ako kay Sir Clifford kasi he gave me discounts then that if I were to build through PC Express parts, software and other peripherals will be given to me at a lower price. The experience was super professional. It was super fast. Sobrang alam talaga nila yung gusto nilang mangyari with you. I'm glad that I went to PC Express also. Right now, I have with me the 80,000 peso budget that we will need for our ultimate gaming PC rig. I think the beauty of being in Cyberzone is no matter what you want for your gaming PC, maybe productive or for solely gaming, there's a lot of choices that you can choose from based on your price range, the parts you want, and for your needs. And considering the prices, the discounts, available parts within the stores, I'm opting to go most of my parts in Data Blitz, but my PC case here at PC Express. Hi sir!
Yes sir.
Nag-decide na po ako na I'll get everything na nilista nyo sa parts, pero for the PC case, I'll get it from another store.
No problem sir.
Okay. Meron bang warranty si processor sa kasi GPU?
Yes sir. Every components and may warranty.
Alright. Thank you so much Sir Miko for all your help.
Okay sir.
So after computation, they gave us a final price discounted of 75,525. So pasok na pasok, under 80,000 pesos pa. To break down the parts, actually, ito talaga yung pinaka-hinihintay ko personally, the RTX 4070 Super, 12 gigabytes of VRAM so that we can push more pixels for the 4K resolution as we play games. We have the Ryzen 5600, so we went with the non-X version kasi maliit lang yung difference nila with performance pero super laki ng price difference. With the motherboard, we went B550 DS3H. It has no Wi-Fi pero as a gamer, you really want stable internet. So, mas okay din na meron siyang Ethernet port. And then we have 32 gigabytes of DDR4, 3600 megahertz RAM. So, mission accomplished, especially with this graphics card. All the parts for my ultimate gaming rig got it at Cyberzone. Now let's get building. Welcome back! Finally, nabuo na namin yung ultimate gaming PC rig worth 80,000 pesos. So quick! Wow! Yun! So, let's turn it on, see what it looks like. So also the cooler that we have is the AK400 from Deep Cool. There we go. So we can see that temperature is the cool 40 degrees. Sobrang quiet ng CPU. Wala akong naririnig from any of the fans. The GPU is also running very quiet. But let's put that to the test. So now we're gonna play Valorant, one of the more popular first-person shooter competitive games. So this game is more CPU intensive. Currently, peak Diamond 1 here in Valorant. Wanna get that rank up. Sinisisi ko yung PC ngayon. Wala na akong masisisi. Do a quick deathmatch, team deathmatch. We're about 400 FPS. That is 4K, low settings, the most optimal. So with Valorant, graphics doesn't matter that much. It's really the FPS when it comes to this game. So now we're running the game at full speed. It's at 200 FPS. But you can find guides online on to better optimize the performance of the CPU. So you can maybe up this pa to 250, 300 FPS average. Sobrang liit ng crosshair ko kasi guys, sanay ako sa 1080p. So when it came to 4K gaming, it's more or less times 8 of the resolution. So everything will seem smaller, but it's more detailed. I'm so happy with the illumination. I'm very, very happy with how it turned out. With the performance, I was so surprised how smooth it is, especially in 4K. So happy with the overall build and how clean it turned out to be. For sure, you have a competitive advantage with this type of setup. So for competitive first-person shooters like Valorant, you really want so much FPS, more than your refresh rate of the monitor can handle. But for 4K AAA games, I'm more than happy with the color of the monitor and with the amount of graphic-intensive load that it can take. So for me, that's a load off. I'll focus on enjoying the game and just having fun with this setup. There we go. This 80,000 peso ultimate gaming rig, got it at Cyberzone.